side kicks. 4, 3, 2. All the way to heel. Keep your toe on the line. Get that heel off the floor. Get your hands up. Kick to the side.